Raising investment, also an incredibly difficult thing to do. Difficult regardless of what sector you're operating in, even more difficult trying to do it in hardware, even more difficult to do it in semiconductors and spacecraft. Does anybody want to take a guess at how many investors I had to speak with before I got my first yes? I spoke to 157 investors before I got my first yes. It's 150, pitch decks, business plans, financial models prepared again and again and again, each one iterating. Still got all of those from that particular round, all 157 pitch decks I prepared from version 1. Now, in all fairness, version 1 said Josh 26 from Somerset, as like that was relevant to building confidence, and it had Andrew 31 from Kent. Highly irrelevant. So don't get me wrong, the first investor was very right to say no. Every version, every update had a save. The business plan grew, the financial model improved, and everything else until we got that first yes. That first yes at the seed round then meant that we very rapidly had 7 yeses in a row. And in the end, I think we ended up with about 15 yeses or so. But we were only looking to raise about 1.5 to 2 million. We ended up raising 7.6, which at the time was the largest space tech round in Europe ever conducted at seed stage. And that's allowed us to grow to a phenomenal team based here in Cardiff, and also grow a team in the US as well. But I just wanted to show that was the office facility that we opened up in October 21. I want to say that we did this. I might be wrong about the date. But this facility is now absolutely chocker, and very soon we'll actually be moving into our next facility upgrade after this as well.